Hey Tiger Rock students, Michael Holt. I just wanted to come to you with a quick video of what you can practice at home this week to get better as a martial artist, but also in thoughts getting ready for our upcoming tournament. And that is simply the difference between a side kick and a round kick. So I've got this chair out. The chair is there because I know you got a chair at home, you got a kitchen counter at home, you got a bed at home. You may not have a kicking bag at home. So something just to help you balance, because anytime we kick, we're standing on one leg and the potential is there for us to lose our balance. So to practice kicking slowly, it's always helpful to hold on to something. Here we like to hold on to the stretching bar, hold on to the bags, hold on to a partner. So this is real simple. I'm just going to hold the chair. I'm going to be kicking in the direction sideways, out away from me, not in front of me, so that you can kind of see. But the goal is to work on two different kicks, side kick and a round kick. And they are two completely different kicks. The side kick strikes with the heel of the foot. The round kick strikes with the ball of the foot. But both kicks have a couple of things in common. There's a start, there's a midpoint, and there's a retraction and finish. And they also have a pivot. The pivot is the base leg, the one that's on the ground. And my pivot points away from where I'm kicking. So let's talk side kicks first. Hold the chair for balance. I'm going to hold my opposite hand up just to always have the habit of having my blocking hand up. My base foot pivots. I lift for my side kick. We call that tabletop position. It's chambered. My toes are back. This is one of the things the students struggle with the most. I don't point my toes. I have to flex my shin muscles and pull it back. I push out. I pull back. And then I set down. The whole time I had my toes pulled back, my foot shaped, so that I could strike with the heel of the foot. The side kick means stop. Somebody's charging at you, you side kick them, it stops them. It's a most powerful kick that we have in martial arts because it uses your entire leg muscle, especially your glutes. So again, I pivot, hand is up, I chamber, extend, retract, set down. The path is the same. The second kick is our round kick. The round kick, I like to explain, if you had a ball on a tee, the side kick kicks the ball toward the pitcher, straight back where it came from. A round kick would kick it in a sideways direction, in the other way. So if this is a baseball field and that's first base and third base, the round kick is going to kind of send it toward third base. Again, I'm holding, I pivot. This time, instead of chambering for a side kick, my knee lifts here. My knee points at the target. I kick out, I pull back, and I set down. So the foot is doing the moving, not the knee. For the side kick, my knee was the mover. On the round kick, my foot is the mover. And again, the base leg is pivoted. Toes are pulled back the entire time. So if you see someone kicking and they got their toes pointed, that's wrong. We need the toes pulled back to strike with the ball of the foot. If we could just simply practice each of those kicks 3 times a day at home, slow, and then 3 times a day at home, fast, man, that will add up and your side kicks and round kicks are going to look amazing.